Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and today I'm going to be testing out the brand new Fujifilm XF 70-300 F4-5.6 R LM OIS WR lens. Whoa, that was a mouthful. So this right here is the new lens from Fujifilm. It's a telephoto, although nice and compact in size. 70-300mm, which in 35mm terms works out at roughly 107mm to 457mm. First impressions when I first picked this lens up, it's lightweight but solid. Feels very well built, which is handy considering we've got a weather-resistant construction. Perfect for the ever unpredictable weather we get in the UK, and also helps protect you against dust and moisture. So what's good about this lens? Well, we've got an f4 to 5.6 variable aperture, which is kind of a standard range, but you've also got up to 5.5 stops of optical image stabilization, which is going to help to reduce camera shake, especially at those longer focal lengths. And we've got fast and silent autofocusing. So I'm just on my way to the local park so I can test out the lens properly with some wildlife photography. I have also now paired it with the Fujifilm XS10 because I'm quite excited to see what my 5.5 stops of optical image stabilization is like with the lens, but also with the additional 5-axis stabilization from the camera's IBIS. This is actually a really versatile lens, not just designed for zooming in close to things. We've got a minimum focus distance of 83 centimeters and a magnification of 0.33 times. So if you want to turn your hand to macro photography, you don't need to change your lens. If I've piqued your interest with macro, then it might be interesting to know that if you attached Fujifilm's 2x teleconverter, you'll actually extend your maximum magnification to 0.66 times, which actually gives you a 1:1 magnification for those real close-up detailed shots. Cool, right? And if you're not interested in macro, but you are interested in extending your focal length, then you can use either of Fujifilm's teleconverters to do this. The 2x will enable you to turn your lens into a 914mm 35mm equivalent, and the 1.4x will give you a 630mm 35mm equivalent, both still with the use of your phase detection autofocus too. I've actually really enjoyed being out shooting with the Fujifilm XF 70-300mm, especially paired with the Fujifilm XS10. It's given me a nice compact and lightweight setup, which has probably worked out quite perfectly for a walk around the park. Focusing as well has been fast and it's been precise, so what more could you ask for? If you'd like to find out any more information on the Fujifilm XF 70-300, then head on over to jessops.com now, or you can click on the link that's in our description. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.